Hi, welcome to Ask Less. A question that comes up very often is the cleaning of air amplification technology. Air amplifiers come in basically a couple major forms, in the form of nozzles, in the form of air jets, in the form of amplifiers, standard amplifiers like this in my right hand, in air wipes, and in linear air knives. And if the compressed air is not adequately filtered, you're going to get dirt buildup on the inside of these units. So how do you clean them? The easiest way to clean any air that's on the inside of the unit, and you know it's going to be dirty because you'll get some blockages, you'll get some uneven flow of the air coming out, is to actually leave it in place. Don't take it out of the system. You don't have to take it out. Leave it in the system. Keep some air running through the unit, but loosen up the bolts that are holding the pieces together. An air amplifier typically consists of a body and a cap and a shim to maintain the gap where the compressed air comes out, and then entrains the surrounding air with it, giving you that amplified airflow. So if you actually keep the pieces in line with some air flowing through it, just loosen up the bolts with an Allen key or screwdriver or whatever type of bolts are used to hold the pieces together. Just loosen it up a little bit and let the air on the inside blow out the dirt. That's simple. And then tighten it back. Now, air amplifiers work because the air comes out of a gap and goes over these special angles called clogged angles, which entrain the air from the surrounding atmosphere, amplifying the airflow. If the air is dirty, you can get some dirt buildup on these angles. It is very important not to use any abrasive material that could damage that clogged angle. If you damage the angle, you're going to negatively affect the flow, and it may actually stop working. So just use some mild solvent or a mild cleaning material to clean that dirt off. That's how you clean on the outside of these units. Now, air amplifiers in particular are used for venting applications. If you have trouble with buildup on that clogged angle that's consistent, and you've tried everything for filtration, you might want to consider utilizing a Venturi system like our Niche Flow ring vac instead. It's on a different principle, it doesn't have any clogged angles, and this will overcome the effect of having that dirt buildup on that clogged angle because it doesn't have a clogged angle. So if you have any questions on an application where dirt is building up using amplification technology, Niche Flow can certainly assist you. If you have any questions on use of compressed air for blow-off, cooling, moving, ask less.